Hi everyone, this is Brittany with Zamora Woodworking. We're really excited because we're here to show you a new product we just got in today. But before we get to that, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out small channels like ours. And once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away the Jenny bit. I'll show you guys what that is. There we go. So again, that's once we get to 1,000 subscribers, you'll be automatically entered into a drawing if you subscribe, and we'll draw your name and send that out to everybody. And again, we're not sponsored at all, so this is just purely all of our own resources that we put into this. So this is just a way of saying thank you to all of you. We really do appreciate you. So let's get into it. So we just got this product in today. These are the ball screw wipers from Boorg. They have a shop on Etsy. No affiliations with them, but we will have a link in the description. We just wanted to do a quick initial overview and installation on this product. Again, no sponsorships or anything like that. Just kind of give you our ideas of what we thought about it. Okay, so this is our first reveal, first time opening the package. Few more. There we go. Here they are. Now again, we didn't print these, as we only do PLA plastic, but this material is really unique in the sense that it's incredibly flexible and bendable, which will be important later. And this is going to be their full set that does all your wipers for all your ball screws. And these are going to really help keeping your balls clean and the maintenance low. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a little up-close view of all these. So again, this is PETG. You can see the print quality is really well done. We only print PLA plastic, so we just didn't have much experience with this particular kind of material. But you can see the flexibility of it there. But no, like I said, we don't have a lot of experience printing in this type of material, so we wanted to support another small business that obviously knows what they're doing, and they do a really great job. So let's see how it all fits together. So I've kind of unpackaged and organized it for you guys. So your smallest one is going to be for your Z axis. Your two middles are going to be for your Y, and then your largest one will be for your X. So let's go ahead and start with the installation of the Z. You're going to take your little round part here and really gently push it up that shaft until it's kind of nice and snug at the top there. All right, next I'm going to bring this down and we're going to install this piece. Okay. So this flatter part here is going to be your top piece, and just the same, it's going to go around this top shaft here, and you'll see the piece down here whenever you install it. It has two little screws in there. It literally just fits together like a puzzle piece. So same thing, nice and flexible. Pop it on there and then just push it down until it's flat and snug. Probably if you have someone with tinier hands, this would be better. And if you look as far as these flatter pieces go, it's just a pressure fit around those screw heads. So those right there, that's what you saw me just kind of pushing down onto there. So just make sure it fits nice and snug. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start our installation on the Y-axis part. So we're going to take this round piece and we're going to install it on the Y, and I'll meet you on over there. Okay, so same process as before. We're just going to gently put it on there and push it all the way back until it is seated. Now for the other side, we're going to go ahead and fit this again over that ball screw. And remember, it is pressure seated over the cap head, so we'll go ahead and show you that now. Okay, so here we are again on the other side of that Y-axis part. So I'm going to go ahead and be installing this piece. Now remember, you want this concave part facing out and your flat part facing the coupler. So same thing, nice and gentle with this plastic. And again, remember, this is just a pressure seated thing, so you just want to make sure you push it into there. Okay, while we're right here, I'm going to actually just give you a little demonstration as to why we feel these things are so important. So as you see, I put a lot of like fine sawdust here on the rail. I'm going to hold this here as we run it, and you're going to see that it really does keep the back here. It'll really clean a lot of this off and keep that a lot of that fine sawdust from getting up in your ball screw. You can see how clean it's coming out. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move on to the x-axis. So it's the same exact process of what we have done for the previous z and y. You're going to take this, fit it right along your rail, push it all the way up till you get it snug in there. Okay, there we go. So you're going to get it nice and snug. Then you're going to come over to the other side and install this piece here, and we'll bring it on over and show you that. So this one, you do have to have your piece where your concave portion is fitting up against that. So it's just going to fit like a puzzle piece. And remember, these are just pressure fit. So right over the rail, you're going to slide it back until you get it all put right over there. Some important kind of closing thoughts. Your number one line of defense whenever it comes to dust collection is going to be your actual vacuum dust collection kit. That's going to be the best way you can prevent sawdust and things like that just kind of gumming up in the rails of your machine. We don't know if this is an upgrade that Onefinity supports or not. This is just something that we wanted to give a shot for our own selves. With any upgrade or addition, one of the things you're going to want to do is to move your machine around and just make sure that everything's seated properly, that nothing breaks free, it's not going to be hitting or bumping into anything. That's just overall good practice for any new add-on or addition to your Onefinity. So after installation and using this a little bit, we have found this is a really great product. It's really well made, and it really does help prevent a lot of future problems as far as what you could run into with your machine as far as when it gets really dirty and gummed up. So we really have liked using it a lot. Again, no affiliation with this product, but we will definitely put the link in the description. And again, this has been Brittany with some more woodworking. If you guys could like, share, and subscribe, it really helps out small channels like ours. We really do appreciate you guys. Don't forget, subscriptions will enter you into our drawing for the Jenny Bit, and we look forward to seeing you guys again soon. All right, bye.